Oh, that's how you do a shower in basically anything. All you van life people out there who don't have showers in your vans, you are insane, because this is pretty easy. You can add it anywhere. As long as you can stand and you have a water source, you can put a shower in just about anything. So, hi everyone, here we go. So, round 2 of the Hotshot RV is starting now. We have already started the work. And for those of you who are paying attention on the last video, I had dropped a little hint about maybe a shower idea inside the Hotshot truck. Here we go. This is the plan. So, this is the box that we added going through the subfloor down in the sleeper cab right there, okay? When I was standing in it, it wasn't quite enough. Wasn't quite tall enough for me to stand, so I had to turn my head like that. So what I've done is taken it out and I've cut the top of the metal frame off, and right now it was 68 inches. So what I'm doing is adding these metal angle iron at 7 inches, so that'll drop it to 75. So my headroom inside the truck when I'm standing in this box is going to be 75 inches. So again, I'm 6 feet tall even, so that's 72 inches. It gives me 3 inches of clearance. What we are going to do is, because I have a water source in the truck, the only thing I needed was hot water and a way to drain it. So what I did was did some research, and I found this little camping shower, right? It screws on one of the propane bottles, the little green one. The water inlet right here is just a little drop-in pump, so you can put this into any bucket of water or anything. Like, quite frankly, you can use that on the side of the road if you wanted. If there's a stream nearby, you could do that. So that's what they made it for. So what I'm gonna do is fill up the sink in the truck. That'll be my water source. Heat. And then the shower one comes off of it, and then on off, right? So then you're gonna ask, well, how can you do that inside a truck? Here's the thing. I used to work construction. That's how I know how to do all this stuff and renovate homes. But anyhow, whenever you're building a shower on a bare concrete floor, this is what you use. And it's basically a PVC liner. Okay, so you line the entire enclosure with it, and then you add in a drain. This would be the drain going through the concrete. And then all you have to do is, once you cut that, see those 4 bolts? You actually cut the rubber right here, and then you clamp it down, so when the water comes, it's inside the rubber and then goes into the drain. So that's what we're doing right here in this box. We're gonna go ahead and isolate 1/2, and we're gonna do the rubber inside the box there. The drain will be going right there. And again, once I'm standing inside, I will have warm water, a place to drain it, and of course a teak floor, because you have to have a teak floor in a shower, even if it's in a truck. And then the last thing is, I'm doing a shower curtain, and I got a rod that's basically just on the ceiling, right? And it's just going to be a circular rod that I can move the shower curtain, tuck it over into the corner. When we take the shower, we'll just undo it, open it up, go all the way around me, and then the shower curtain is going to be sitting right inside here, so all the water will be now coming down through the drain and out of the truck. So that's how you do a shower in basically anything. All you van life people out there who don't have showers in your vans, you are insane, because this is pretty easy. You can add it anywhere. As long as you can stand and you have a water source, you can put a shower in just about anything. So here we go. Hopefully it works out. Hotshot round 2 is going to be awesome. so there we go. So I just went through and did a tack on everything because there's all this paint and caulking and everything from before. If I was to do an entire bead on here, it's gonna actually start catching everything on fire. I don't know if you could see that in the sped up view there, but especially right here, if I was to do that whole bead all the way across there, it would catch this wood on fire. But it's on there, it's solid, and again, that gives me standing space in the truck. Alright everyone, so we saw that. So that was, I don't know, a few hours worth of work, but this is now where we're at. So as you can see, we have an isolated portion, and that's where the rubber mat is gonna go. So any water that comes in through the top on the shower curtains there will be going straight down in, and it'll be running through our drain, which is gonna be right dead smack in the center. And as you can see, we have a teak floor. That's just gonna go in there. Boom. So there is a shower pan with the teak floor. We're not done with the rubber portion. We're gonna save that one for the next video, so everyone who wants to learn how to do this, they can see it on the next one. So we're just gonna move that back, and here we go. Again, I am 6 feet tall. This is going through the floor of my Hotshot truck. Oh shit. Anyhow, here we go. That's me standing inside. Again, the shower curtain's gonna be right here, all the way around. And then I'll take that wand, and I'll be able to it's good enough height-wise, round-wise, since I'm a fat F right now, but we're gonna work on that. But anyhow, there it goes. So shower pan installation will be the next one. If you like the content, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions on anything, I'd love to help you out. So thanks for watching.